Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We are going back out on the Z Grill today and we're cooking a brisket for Mr. Grill. So I know it's a small one, but this is the brisket that we're going to be cooking today. I picked this up at Walmart. It's already trimmed, so we don't need to do anything to this except take it out of the package, rinse it off, and season it up. We're going to set our smoker at 250 for our brisket. While that's getting up to temperature, we're going to season the brisket. Yes, absolutely. Still enough fat for the yumminess, because where there's fat, there's flavor, and we know all about that here. Look at that. It is very nicely trimmed. We're going to season this up today with the Boar's Night Out White Lightning Double Garlic Butter. And my lid, look at my lid's all floppy. I use this way too much.
That's it, too. We use it too much.
We use it all the time. This is so good. Get it everywhere. You could use a binder if you want to. You don't really need to. I just rinse this off. It's wet. The seasoning is going to stick on the meat, no problem. Get it everywhere. Definitely.
On the counter.
Yeah. If your wife isn't a little bit upset about the mess you're making, you're not using enough seasonings. That's all we're going to season this thing up with. We're using a pellet smoker today, so we're not going to get that bark that a lot of people like to get. If you want the bark, you can add a lot of extra pepper to it, or you can use a traditional, offset smoker. We're going to do this a little bit different. It's a little bit later in the morning than we had anticipated starting this thing, so we're going to need to cook this a little bit quicker. I still want to get that smoke flavor in here, so we're going to go for 4 hours at the 250 degrees, right? Remember, it's really cold up here in Wisconsin. The Z Grill is really great at holding temperature. I'm going to do everything that I can to help it along the way. So we're going to throw the welding blanket over top of it today because it's so cold. Let's go check this out on the Z Grill. The probes that come with the Z Grill actually work really well. So we're going to use their probe. We're going to throw this right in here. We're going to throw that on. We're going to let that go. Like I said, we're going to set a timer for about 4 hours. We're going to pull it off because you're getting about as much smoke as you're going to get into it at that point anyways. We're going to wrap it at that point, crank it up to 300 degrees, and let it go till it hits about 172, 175. So there you go. Check out the deal that Z Grills has going on right now, you guys. They've got a promotion right now where you buy one grill for almost $800. It gets shipped right to your house. You don't even have to go pick the thing up. And then you get another one every 5 years for the next 50 years. That's 11 grills for the price of one. You can't go wrong. And this is solid. This is really well-built grill, you guys. So it's been 4 hours, or 6 beers, or 3.5 old fashions, if you're doing Wisconsin math, on the brisket. Temperature is holding good. I've been watching this on my app on my phone, and we're at 170. It's a smaller brisket. It's time to wrap it. I'm still going to turn the temperature up.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh.
And we're going to double wrap this. Again, here. That is going to sit there and cook, and we're going to let that go until it hits about 203 to 205. We're going to pull it off and let it rest. I am going to turn this up. We're at 250 right now. I'm going to turn it up to about 300, at least for an hour.
You are like a ninja.
Kitchen ninja.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, not to be confused with that blender. Oh man, look at that.
Oh, that looks so good.
Right?
Oh, brisket, I've missed you.
And you want to cut against the grain, just like it is here.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
Look at that. That's beautiful. I'm so excited.
Cuts with a fork.
Oh yeah.
That is perfect right there. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's delicious. There you go. Brisket on the Z Grill. Well, thanks for joining us here today at Coop to Grill. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more good cooking on the grills with us, go check them out. They're over here. That's where she puts them. Right there.